In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trap beat BandLab. We'll walk through logging in, opening your project in Studio, building a trap drum pattern with the drum machine, and placing it on your timeline so it's ready to arrange. Start by heading to the BandLab website and clicking Login. If you use Google, choose the Google Sign-In option, pick your account, and press Continue to authorize. Keep your credentials private as you sign in. Once you're in, go to your library. This is where all your projects live. Choose the project you want to work on so we can add drums to it. Open the project in Studio. This is the main workspace where you'll see your tracks and the timeline. To create the beat, add a new track and select Drum Machine. Drum Machine gives you a step sequencer grid that's perfect for trap patterns because it's fast, visual, and easy to tweak. For the sound palette, select a kit. In this example, choose Dark Trap to get punchy kicks, crisp claps, and tight hats right away. If you see an 808 label in the interface, click it to open the list of kits and drum pads. From here, choose the trap category so you're browsing sounds designed for modern trap. You can always audition kits quickly and switch if something fits your vibe better. Now program your pattern. Tap or click the grid boxes to add or remove drum hits. Think of the grid as time moving left to right. A straightforward trap foundation is a solid kick on the first beat, a snare or clap on beats 2 and 4, and steady hi-hats on 1/8 or 1/16 notes. For extra energy, sprinkle in a few hat rolls by adding closer spaced steps. Keep your kick pattern simple at first. You can add syncopation once the groove is locked in. If you want a quick start, try the pre-made A and B patterns as a base, then customize by turning individual steps on or off until it feels right. When your pattern sounds good, look for the Add button and click and drag it onto your arrangement or timeline. Drop it exactly where you want the beat to start, like at bar 1. This places a region on the track using your pattern so you can build your song structure around it. That's the core flow. Log in, open your project, add Drum Machine, pick a trap kit like Dark Trap, program your grid, and drag the pattern into your timeline. Save your project and you're ready to expand the beat further.